channel. Wait, is it my YouTube channel or my mom's? Well, today we're going to be making a dress for my little darling named Chloe. And my name is, of course, everybody knows, Chloe, C-H-L-O-E, spelled. That's what it's spelled like. And, yeah. So, you know what you have to do before you make some clothes for your son, your daughter, yourself, your dad, like anybody. And that's why you know the first thing you have to do. Measuring! Who thinks that measuring would be better? So today we are going to measure this little girl, this little girl. Her name is Chloe. Hi! Okay, let's start. Look. Okay, can you turn it on? So first we're going to measure her chest. Honey, can you raise up your arms so it's easier for me? Yes, Mommy. Okay. So her chest is exactly 11. So let's go. And then so the next one we're going to do the waist. Her waist is, well, she's kind of a little too chubby right now. She's the same thing as the chest, but let's just say it's a 10.5. And then next one is the hip. The hip is basically the biggest part of her butt. Please do not poop right here, okay, darling? Because we are in the middle of the video. And her hip is 12 inches. We are done with measuring. And if you want to, you have to do this, okay? I'm telling you, you have to do this. Well, but my mom and me are going to make it this type. But please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you know what's going to happen. It's going to warn you. You have to watch it. Like, seriously, can you punch that subscribe button right now like this? Okay, well, wait. So what are we going to do next, honey, again? You're going to sew. Oh, right. So my mom's going to teach me how to sew this. So basically, my mom's not the one that's going to do it for me. Now, can you do that again? Like, punch the subscribe button like this. Bye!